超好吃的。那包是哎。
厉害哦！
叫做
食品就比如说食品这个米其林，看有没有看到？对，鲜奶酥饼是的，最新鲜、最营养的，吃看看没有问题哈。这来到我们宜兰饼必买的，得奖的，来一个888小边特价。
还有呢，松蜜多层次，台湾盒子 Special Edition， 好贵，120块，不错。热门。So we're done with, what is this place called?
Yilan
Bing.
It's a factory. It's the thinnest cookie factory in the world. Thinnest cookie in the world factory.
Yeah, 0.1 centimeter.
Yeah.
Super
You
thin.
can see how they make it. It's really cool. And then they have like the sales store downstairs with all the different flavors and all the different kind of cookies.
Yeah.
Perfect place to get your souvenir.
Oh yeah, very special Taiwanese souvenir. They have lots of different Taiwanese dessert for a really good deal, lots of discount if you buy in bulk. and they have the history and culture on this side. And then as Tina said, the production is all real life. People actually making it and then put it in a package and ship it out.
And new serving cow tongue.
Cow tongue. It's called thinnest cookie.
Yeah, but then it's shaped like a cow's tongue, so that's why you got.
There's a lot of mascot. That's cow. You can take picture with lots of things outside, but it's pouring outside right now.
It's raining really.
We got to some photo, but now rest of it is just too wet. So we're waiting for rain to die down a little bit,
But
and
we bought a lot of
souvenirs, dessert and stuff.
desserts.
Yeah, so we're waiting for rain to die down, and then we'll take a taxi to the train station, and then call it a day. End of our Yilan trip. Yeah, that was pretty fun.
It was nice.
Yeah.
We avoided a big disaster.
Yeah, well, it started pouring now, so hopefully we can get home safely. So near here, there's other factories. There's some crayon factory, taxi museum. There's some fish stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of museum around here. Yeah. Cool. All right, I'll see you guys later then. Bye.